Hello mga ka-RAMPAge! This is Joie once again and welcome back to my channel. If you want to feel a combination of excitement and danger, please stay a while with me as I explore another tourism jewel of Davao City, the Davao Crocodile Park. But before I proceed, to those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, and to those who are new to my channel, please like the video, click on the subscribe button, and hit on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video uploads ko. Please don't forget as well to share the video and feel free to leave your comments below. So, are you ready to be astounded by the size and ferocity beyond belief? Tara! Let's rampage! In this time where we are so busy about everything that is going on in our lives, we fail to go back to the original and simple living. Which is why at times, we tend to complicate things and worry too much without noticing that there are still a bunch of beauties in this world to be thankful about. If you are planning to go back to the simplicity of life and once more experience what life and nature have to offer, then here is the right place for you. If you want to feel a combination of excitement and danger, go straight to Davao Crocodile Park and be astounded by size and ferocity beyond belief. By visiting the park, you will instantly learn how to love such creatures instead of being afraid of them. The Davao Crocodile Park is an establishment that showcases a state-of-the-art crocodile farming system in the Philippines. It has the most recent crocodile farm design, equipped with modern facilities and equipment. The Davao Crocodile Park is a major tourist destination 15 to 30 minutes away from the city center and situated at the riverfront corporate city diversion highway in Maa, Davao City. This crocodile park has made its name famous not only in the country but the entire world because of its vast collection of crocodiles and because of the high-end facilities available. The park is owned and operated by a group of businessmen headed by Mr. Sonny Dizon. His fascination with saltwater and freshwater crocodiles gave birth to the first and only of its kind in Davao City on August 18, 2006. Not only does the park provide entertainment to visitors as its share in the city's tourism effort, but also serves as a venue for educational tours, lectures for public awareness, field laboratory for students in biology, zoology, animal science, veterinary medicine, as well as for wildlife animal enthusiasts. While the park is not a full-fledged zoo for crocodiles, it also serves as the abode of many other reptiles and other exotic animals such as monitor lizards, ostriches, turkeys, oriental civet, and goats, among others. There are small information and description boards found in most cages of the animals, which gives visitors some knowledge on the animals they are viewing. The park educates people about the natural world and their connection to nature, not only the crocodiles but also the wild animals inside the park. The park features a show called the Pangil Encounter, where caretakers enter the caged pond with a stick and probe Pangil, which prompts the giant reptile to move toward the stick and kick its tail, splashing water to the viewing spectators. There are several attractions in the park, and I have seen a lot of animals along with different shows and performances that include the participation of some trained animals. Over the years, the Davao Crocodile Park has developed an educational awareness program in enduring relationship between people and wildlife with a view of creating a balanced ecosystem. Davao Crocodile Park is a wonderful place to explore. There are friendly reminders to ensure visitors a fun, safe, educational, interactive, and once-in-a-lifetime experience. Davao Crocodile Park is not really about crocodiles alone, but is about a rich variety of other animals as well. It is a zoo that lets its visitors experience close encounter with various animals and even interact with some of them. But the main highlight, of course, are the crocodiles. A visit here would be perfect for the family and individuals who are fascinated with wildlife and wants to learn more about them. Aside from being a tourist in the place, it is my ardent hope that everyone coming into park could learn so much from it and begin or continue taking part in the conservation of the wildlife, the respective habitat, and the environment as a whole. We are part of nature, and it is fitting that we give out contribution in making it a better place, not solely for us, but for all creatures.